Hi friends, let's do an ABC animal puzzle together. A as in alligator. Alligators are large reptiles. A. B as in bee. Bees make delicious, yummy honey. B. C as in cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on the planet. C. D as in deer. A baby deer is called a fawn. D. E as in elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. E. F as in flamingo. Flamingos can stand on one leg for a long time. F. G as in giraffe. Giraffes run very fast. G. H as in hippo. Hippos eat a lot of grass. H. I as in iguana. Iguanas are reptiles. I. J as in jaguar. Jaguars have a beautiful spotted pattern. J. K as in kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. K. L as in lion. Most lions live in Africa. L. M as in monkey. Monkeys love bananas. M. N as in narwhal. Narwhal's tusks are actually a tooth. N. O as in owl. Owls can see very, very well. O. P as in penguin. Penguins cannot fly. P. Q as in quail. Quails eat insects, grains, and fruit. Q. R as in raccoon. Raccoons can climb trees. R. S as in snake. Snakes are shy animals. S. T as in tiger. Tigers only eat meat. T. U as in unicorn. Unicorns are mythical animals. U. V as in vulture. Vultures are very quiet animals. V. W as in whale. Whales breathe through blowholes on top of their head. W. X as in X-ray fish. X-ray fish have see-through skin. X. Y as in yak. Yaks' long hair keep them warm. Y. Z as in zebra. Zebras can sleep standing up. Z. Great job learning, friends! Don't forget to like and subscribe.